Rainbow Hands.
Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today, we're going to draw a cute carrot and a little bunny. First, let's draw a carrot. Start with a long, pointy shape. That's the carrot's body. And don't forget the leaves on top. Now, let's draw a bunny next to the carrot. Start with a face and draw 2 long ears on top. Next, let's draw the body and the tail. Now, let's draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. Next, let's add the bunny's whiskers. All done. Now, let's make all the lines thick and clean with a dark pen. Look, everything looks so neat and pretty now. The drawing part is done. Now it's time to paint. Let's start with the carrot. First, paint the carrot's body orange. Orange looks so bright and yummy, just like a real carrot. Now, paint the green leaves on top. Green looks so fresh, like leaves in the garden. Next, let's paint our bunny. Use light pink for the bunny's body. So soft and cute, like cotton candy. Now, paint the bunny's ears and nose. Use a little darker pink for those parts. It makes our bunny look even cuter. Look at our carrot and bunny. They're so colorful and pretty. You did a great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.